Bonjour, je m'appelle, Virginia is for Grubbers. If you're wondering why I just did that introduction in French, trois reasons. Don't know how to say reasons. Un. I took French for 2 years in high school. Big shout out to Madame Hickey. Forgot how to say two. We are right outside of a town in Virginia that's called Paris. Paris. There is a Paris, Virginia. Like, who knew that? First of all, if you live in Paris, you've been to Paris, comment below. Super curious about other stuff to do around here. The third reason, trois, is we are at La Berge. La Berge. I think I'm pronouncing it right. Ask the guy inside how to pronounce it. Pretty sure he said La Berge, which is a phenomenal, beautiful, beautiful French restaurant, and it's a bed and breakfast, which is, again, right outside of Paris, Virginia. I don't know the exact town we're in right now. Either way, beautiful restaurant. Old Fashioned Friday today. You know how this works. We do 4 ratings, 0 to 3 on appearance, 0 to 3 on first sip, 0 to 3 on overall taste, and 0 to 1 on overall ambiance. Before we even get to the appearance, the taste, all that, I'm gonna give them a full 1 on overall ambiance. The restaurant inside is beautiful. They have some of the nicest bourbons I've ever seen. And again, we're kind of in the middle of nowhere, so it's amazing. So full 1 off of overall ambiance of La Berge. Full un. There we go. Okay, here we go for appearance. Beautiful, beautiful. I don't know if we can, there we go. You can see that. Beautiful presentation. I'm not gonna lie, I used to not care if it was like a round cube or a square cube. I just like a big cube. I'm kind of growing to be more of a fan of the round cube, especially when it's that big. Beautiful presentation. Luxardo cherry was muddled on the bottom. Got an orange in there. Again, glass isn't massive, but this is a very French-ish glass. So, I mean, if the glass was bigger, it'd be full 3. I'm gonna go 2.9 off appearance, first sip. Jesus. Whew. Western Loudoun, or I don't even think we're in Loudoun anymore. I think we're in Clark, I don't know what county we're in, but usually when you go outside of Loudoun and Fairfax, it's kind of hit or miss. Man, these places out here, Upperville, Paris, these places are doing it right. So, man, I just did one. I'm going to go full 3 first sip. That was beautiful. Beautiful. 2.9 on appearance, full 3 first sip, full on overall ambiance, and then overall taste. Here we go. It's just so clean. I've mentioned this on almost all of them. If it's clean, that's the biggest thing. That's when you know you're enjoying like an amazing, well-made old fashioned. It's clean. It's super clean. Overall, I'm gonna go 2.85, which I don't even know why I'm doing it. I'm doing this to heel again, 2.85, which I think leaves us at a 9.75. Which is either the highest or the second highest or whatever. But La Berge, Paris, Virginia. Virginia is for Grubbers. Bonjour, au revoir. I forget how to say bye. Is it au revoir? I know asseyez-vous. Asseyez-vous, that means sit down, because my teacher used to yell at me all the time. Asseyez-vous, Jacques. Asseyez-vous. La Berge, Virginia is for Grubbers. Cheers, guys.